Elon Musk's Twitter bid of $44 trillion has just been accepted. Here are the 3 things that Elon Musk could quickly change as the new chief executive officer of Twitter. You might have already seen a recent tweet from Elon Musk saying, if our bid for Twitter succeeds, we will either defeat the Twitter bots or die trying. Then he also added that and authenticate the real humans. This means Musk is ready to dictate about this policy. It's clear already that Musk likes to mention words jokingly and make joking tweets. Even you have seen him dancing in many places. Possibility is that Musk would make certain comments considered a free speech. Thirdly, there is a very high possibility of Elon Musk introducing sending money or buying items online using Dogecoin on Twitter. You have seen how he's pushing hard for that. There is no doubt Elon Musk is someone who does not want to fail at all costs. So I think he would push harder for that one to work out in Twitter. The innovation lover Elon Musk taking over Twitter, there could be a possibility of innovations. Like you saw comments from him asking people if they would need edit button. Currently in Twitter, you cannot edit your post or comments. So this stands a possibility. There are also many more other possible changes that he could make. For example, he tweeted that the Twitter headquarters could be changed into homeless station because nobody turns up to work. Nobody shows up for work, so he could change it to homeless shelter since no one shows up anyway. That means more people would be unemployed, I think, and not only in the Twitter department, but also people who are using bots, the bot users. For those who don't know, a Twitter bot is a software bot that controls Twitter. It can create accounts, it can tweet, it can also follow people, and can also comment. Finally, as we wait for him to show us how to use autopilot in many dimensions, congratulations to the business magnate, Elon Musk.